In front of me is Sony Xperia Tablet Z, and let me show you how to change screen timeout on this device. So first of all, we need to open settings. Okay, so they are not located here. Let me open all apps, go to settings then, and now find and open display. Then click on sleep, and here you can manage screen timeout, so just pick the time after which you want your display to fall asleep. So it can be 15, 30 seconds, 1 to 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or even 30 minutes. I will go with this last option, and that's it. As you can see, it has been already applied. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.